This is a demonstration of the turn signal installation on my Model A Ford. The turn signal switch is a SignalStat 900, which I obtained from eBay. It has a indicator light in it, which is, I think, is going to be good. Moving to the back of the car, the LED lights are very bright. The light is a retrofit from Bratton's. The front is a installation that I built utilizing 6-volt LED lamps from Harrison Specialties. It requires a 66 ohm ballast resistor or load resistor to make them work, but I think they work fine. And the neat thing about this is that there's a reflection in the headlamp that lets you see that the turn signal is on. You can see it from almost any angle. So that's the turn signal installation. We'll turn it off.